Hello friends, this is a non-venomous snake. It is a freshwater snake. We call this snake as a checkered killback. You can see the checks on the body of this snake on the dorsal side of the body, and it's one of the biggest checkered killback I have ever caught, I should say. You can see the checks on the body, and you can easily identify this particular snake. On the band near the eye, you can see this band is there. This particular band you can see near the eye, black color band is there, line. You can see that, see how the tongue is coming out, and you can see how the snake is also expanding the neck region like cobras they do. Okay, now checkered killback snake, it's a freshwater snake. It is oviparous. It lay eggs. It feeds on fishes, animals which are aquatic animals which are found in the fresh water, in the ponds, in the river, in the lakes. Okay, this is very common. Now this was found in somebody's house in Mira Road. One of my friend, Mr. Sanju Panpatil, he caught this particular snake, and now today I have brought it here in Sanjay Gandhi National Park to release near this water hole, near the natural water hole. You can see these two bands are there near the eye region. You can see this near the eye region. You can see these two bands are there. From that you can easily make out that it's a checkered killback. You can see the checks on the body. Can you see the checks on the body? From that you can easily make out that it is a checkered killback. Okay, this is a tail region. You can see the tail region. Looking at this tail, and my experience tells me this is the anal region. From here the reproductive organs are there. From here it excretes out the unwanted or the fecal matter, you can say. Now my experience tells me the tail is from here the tail starts, and since the tail is short, this is a male. It indicates that this is a male snake. In males the tail is short, in females the tail is long. Okay, now look at this from a closer view. I would show, these are the belly scales. These are belly scales, and you can find the difference in the caudal scales. These are the caudal scales. Okay, you can see that zigzag manner these caudal scales are there. This is the region, this is the vent from where you can see this is the anal portion from where it defecates. Okay, so this is the tail region. These dorsals are the dorsal scales. Okay, and these are the belly scales. I hope you are following it. So these are the dorsal scales, and look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. This particular pattern is normally seen on checkered killback. Okay, so that's how I explained you about how to identify this snake. Checks are there on the body, entire body, so we can call it as checkered killback. Killback because there are many killback snakes. Olive killback is there, buff stripe killback is there. Now the killback means these snakes, the scales are kill shaped like a boat shape, so the name is given as a killback. Okay, so there are olive killback, buff stripe killback, okay, checkered killback. So these are the group of killback snakes. Is that clear? So I hope you are getting it, and I hope you must have liked this particular video, a small video which I wanted to make it for releasing of this freshwater snake. As soon as I say it's a freshwater snake, that means you should know that I am talking about non-venomous snake. These are all non-venomous snakes. All freshwater snakes are non-venomous. All seawater snakes are 100% venomous, and they are 18 times, 20 times more venomous than cobra. Cobra's venom is neurotoxic. Sea snake's venom is myotoxic. And all freshwater snakes are non-venomous. Is that clear? I hope you have understood and wanted to share this particular information about snakes. So I'm just releasing now in this Sanjay Gandhi National Park, in this water hole. We can have the stream here. Okay.